Good morning, students. Welcome in your computer class. Today we will discuss about the next topic, and the next topic is blogging websites. Blogging websites like Twitter and other microblogging websites are there. Blogging means creating your own blog, means creating your own web page on the internet is known as blogging website. There is a microblogging website which is known as Twitter, on which we can create our own account and we can upload or post our thoughts or ideas. Okay, and other peoples can also create their account on the microblogging site and they can post their own ideas, their thoughts. Okay, Twitter means just typing a short message over the microblogging website. Twitter is a microblogging website which allow you to create your account and you can type your ideas, your thoughts, your post over the website. Okay, there are several websites which allow you to create your account and means your thoughts, your ideas. Well, listen. Blog means the web page. Vlog means web page. Blog allow you to write your personal information. You can post your personal photographs. You can upload articles. Rest of the peoples can like your photos, your post, and they can just comment it. Okay, microblogging websites allow you to write a short comment up to 144 characters. Okay, next thing is YouTube. YouTube is a very popular website on which you can see the thousands and millions of videos that are available on YouTube. Everyone can create their own videos and they can upload on the YouTube. It allows you to upload videos. It is freely available over the internet and you can logging into the YouTube website. You can upload your videos, you can download videos from the YouTube, you can watch videos and many more things you can do by using the YouTube. It is especially a video website, a website which has collection of videos. Next thing is video conferencing. Video conferencing means talking with each other in the form of face to face. Okay, like every day you just attend your class with Zoom. So Zoom is what? Zoom is a service, Zoom is application which allow you to communicate face to face with audio, with video. Okay, so video conferencing is a service over the internet which allow people to communicate face to face from the distance places. Means there is no physical meeting, there is only a virtual meeting. And you know that कि आप अपने घरों में रहते हैं एंड हम लोग अपने घरों में रहते हैं, स्कूल में रहते हैं और हम लोग क्लासेस एक दूसरे को फेस टू फेस देखते हुए अटेंड करते हैं. हम आपको मैसेजेस जो भी कुछ पढ़ाना है वो सारी चीज़ें आपको डिलीवर करते हैं. तो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग इज अ फीचर ओवर द इंटरनेट विच अलाउ यू टू communicate in the form of videos. We can communicate with face to face and we can talk with each other through audio and video. Okay, e-services. The first one is e-commerce. E-commerce means electronic commerce. E-services. First, e-commerce. Electronic commerce means business over the internet. You know that several commercial websites are available which are providing services through the internet. We can purchase products and services over the internet. Okay. In the same way, e-learning means learning through internet. Means there are several schools, colleges. Nowadays, everyone is learning through e-learning. You all are learning your classes. You all are attending your classes in the form of e-learning, electronic learning, in the form of videos, in the form of Zoom applications, in the form of PDF files. There are several methods that are provided through internet. So e-learning is also very helpful for this corona pandemic. And there are several universities which provide us education in the form of with the help of internet. Okay, and there are thousands of contents over internet which are available, and we can access using websites which provide us learning contents, educational contents over the internet. And you students and we teachers also take help from the internet for learning new things. Okay, after that, after e-learning, you know that from the last year you all are learning from internet by using WhatsApp, by using YouTube, and by using Zoom app, Google Meet, and several applications are there which educating you students. So this is form of e-learning. Okay, except this, there are big library which is known as encyclopedia, which is available over the internet, and we can learn several contents from the internet. Okay, after that, the third one is e-banking. E-banking allow us to make online payments through our smartphone. E-banking allow us to make different types of transactions, different types of payments over the internet, through the debit card, through the credit card, through the net banking. And there are several apps nowadays we are using and making payments for different purpose. That is form of e-banking. Okay, we can receive the message from the banks or balance or last 5 transactions, mini statements. We can apply for loans and many more things we are doing with the help of internet. So it is form of e-banking. These are all services of internet. These are all e-services which is provided through internet. There are several digital payment methods. Digital payments methods like Paytm, like Google Pay, like Bhumi app, okay, Payphone. These are all several digital payment methods by which we can do online payments. We can recharge our mobile, we can recharge our dish, we can do many more things. We can pay electricity bill and many other things with the help of digital payments. Now, what are the modes of digital payments? Digital payments, UPI, means Unified Payment Interface, which provides us facility to make online payments. E-wallets like Paytm is e-wallet. This also provide you facility to make payment, and it has all the records. We can check the transactions which we have done from last many days. E-government means electronic services which is provided by the government. So what are that? Like online Aadhaar card, online passport, and online income tax system. So there are several facilities which is provided by the government. So these all things we do with the help of internet by sitting at our home. So this is services of e-government. E-shopping means electronic shopping. By using commercial websites, we can make payments. We can see the number of products over the internet, and if you want to purchase any product, you can purchase through online. There are several payment methods, by debit card, by credit card, by net banking, and there is COD, cash on delivery option. So by this way we can do e-shopping through the internet by sitting at our home. Okay. The next thing is e-reservation. E-reservation means electronic reservation. So electronic reservation means reservation of your railway ticket, reservation of your flight tickets, reservation of any hotel, any restaurant, any room which is provided, reservation of AC buses. So all these things we perform through the internet. So these are all services, means reservation services. Okay. So e-reservation facility provides to make reservation of hall tickets, cinema hall tickets, and many other types of the reservations which is provided over the internet. Now there is another feature which is known as e-groups. E-groups means electronic groups like WhatsApp group, Facebook group, social networking sites groups, and news groups. So there are several e-groups which you can create and communicate with each other about any topic, about any lecture, about any serious discussion that you want to do. Okay. So that's enough for today, and you will ask if any doubt, and we will discuss about the next topic in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.